Hello, hello, Thread and Glued family. This is Stephanie. I am ecstatic. I am getting to open some Happy Mail from Miss Margaret. However, you won't see me actually unboxing it because um, I filmed this once and I don't know where the footage went. So I need to do this again. So I will show you the goodies that she sent me. Let's just get started. She sent me a roll of leather. Look at that. It smells divine. Smell-o-vision. Yes. So I do not know what my plans will be with this yet, but I'm sure we'll come up with something. And oh, she made me another magazine cover, this time with pieces of leather. So nice. It's got a pocket here on the front. And the magazine that's inside is a Music Spotlight Collector's Edition on Paul McCartney. But the real star is her magazine cover. It's very nice. She did a beautiful job. There's a pocket here on the back, too. And then we have two of the coolest bags ever. They're going to be beautiful journals. Look at this beautiful map. So nice. And then there's this one with a little more color in it. Map. Isn't that beautiful? Those will be beautiful, beautiful journal covers. And she had in the package some papers for journals. These are probably my favorite little thing. I just love how the size of them is so cute, and it's general hymns, but they are absolutely adorable. Can't wait to use some of those. And then we have this hymnal that has some great music in it. And there was another hymnal. It's a different paper type, different color, and it has some good music in it. So excited for that. Be good in some books. And oh, we Miss Margaret is setting me up with leather, y'all. Look at this beautiful color leather. It feels so soft. It's very nice. Smells amazing, amazing. And then there was this piece of leather in there, and it is beautiful, still soft. One more piece of leather was in there, and it is very green. It's very nice. Has lots of good crinkles and stuff in it. I love that. Love that. So, be doing something fun with those. And next, we have this from Miss Margaret, and it says that it's designed in the heart of the Pacific Northwest. These premium faux botanicals bring the beauty of nature into your home. And then it has care instructions, and it is by Raquel Zoe. It feels so neat. It's really soft and just kind of fluffy. Really neat. Then the next piece that I'm going to show you was wrapped up in a piece of the leather, but it also had this little piece of what is that called? Of ribbon made, and it's going to be beautiful on something. Okay. And they were wrapping up this crystal. That's beautiful. Beautiful. My daughter has already seen it and claimed it. She was quick to want that one. She told me what it was, but I can't remember what she said. She said it actually will dissolve in water, which was kind of neat. I wouldn't think something this hard would dissolve like that, but very interesting. She has a dagger made out of the same material. And then this was in there. It is a deck of playing cards, Star Wars edition, A New Hope. And of course, my husband has already claimed this deck. But Miss Margaret, I want to thank you so much. You're always so kind and generous. And I just want you to know that I really appreciate you and everything you do. And I'm grateful for your friendship. Thank you so much for the goodies, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.